YouTube edition. Today I will not be editing this video whatsoever because it was the most insane day I've ever seen in market history, and there's no point in diluting any of that. I started off the morning at negative 10.89% today. That is thousands and thousands of dollars down. Really not good. I might have drank too much the night before, and it was not the most fun to wake up to that. But what was the most fun trading day, 100% without a doubt, today was that day. It was the most fun I've ever had trading. It's the most incredible thing I've ever seen happen in years of trading on the stock market. And we're just going to go through that. I do not have any outlook for tomorrow because who freaking knows at this point, okay? So I did end up picking up AMC to try to freaking bail myself out of the hole that I woke up to. And the hole was created by retail investors taking over the stock market. It's unheard of. So after opening up to that much money down, the most I've ever woken up to, just overnight, everything's going well, and then bam, done. I was like, what the heck happened? Turns out retail investors took over the freaking world. NASDAQ literally said they were going to start monitoring social media to make sure that people weren't pumping stocks too much. The SEC is looking into GameStop and considering halting it for 30 days. AMC, which has zero revenue, is up 300%. So I don't have any predictions for tomorrow. I bought SPY puts to protect my account. They're up 300% right now. I don't know what SPY's doing after hours, but I mean, that's just a hedge. If everything goes nuts again, who freaking knows? You can't predict this kind of stuff. There's no way to do so, and I have no predictions for tomorrow, but I can tell you it's going to be crazy. Okay, so we had NAKD, worthless company, literally just absolutely worthless. Doesn't create any jobs, revenue, anything. 252%. AMC, movie theater. There are no movies. But there's a large short interest, and people noticed that and pushed it up based on that, looking for a short squeeze. That was the plan. I don't actually know if the short squeeze worked, but either way, there was 1 billion volume on AMC today at, probably an average price of $15. Now, let's also take a second to note the fact that, as you can see, my purchase price was at the exact time of the reversal on the day. If you would like to see when that price is posted, there is a link in the description to my website, which takes you to a Discord, which has everything there, and then you can probably find out why I bought it right here, which is a very obscure number, but as you can see, it worked out pretty well. I'm up like $5 grand. Either way, after hours, not really sure what's going on. GameStop, everyone's already talking about GameStop. We know what's going on with it. It's sketchy. It is. There's too many people looking at it, and I feel like they're going to drop some sort of regulation that's going to screw over the little guys. The little guys finally got power, and we tore shit up. Like, absolutely destroyed the market. No one knows what's going on now because no one knows what Reddit is going to buy next. Reddit is the new hedge fund. It's like a new hedge fund. Sorry, I'm dehydrated. Okay. So, GameStop, I think it's too high now. I think people are going to start getting sketched out. I think people who have, 200% profits are going to say, that's enough. And then once enough people just market sell, it's going to be a snowball effect, and it will be very, very, very fast. If you do have it, I suggest putting in at least like a 20% trailing stop. That's really aggressive. That's planning on, losing 20% of your gains, but that's better than losing 80% of your gains. So that's just something to think about. Do with that what you will. NAKD, I think this is going to be huge. tomorrow and after hours. It's got the perfect setup. It's cheap. No one likes it, which means Reddit's gonna jump in and freaking take this shit. Oh, I can't see that. Ah, whatever. And they're gonna take it who knows where. I don't know if I'll join in on this one. I have a decent amount on AMC, and those SPY puts are really what's bringing me through in this whole situation. And I didn't plan for that. I honestly thought that SPY would hold up a little bit and ignore the little guys, but we scared them. We scared them bad. And now I have a lot of money off of those. So I went from negative 10.89%, worst morning of all time, just from overnight swing trades, and made it back positive. I'm not going to say how much money that is, to recover from, but let me tell you, it was awesome. It was awesome. It was awesome, and it was so cool to see everyone get together and just squat up and show the people that are high up, the hedge funds, the big banks, that we do have a say in what happens in the market. And they can make new rules. They can do things like that. But when they make new rules, that just shows that we have more power. And there's a quote from V for Vendetta that says, the people shouldn't be afraid of their government. The government should be afraid of their people. And I think that is becoming more and more relevant today. So that is all I have today. Please subscribe to the channel if you aren't already. I'm going to post a video every single day of what I'm watching, about what happened, about what will happen, or what I think's going to happen, changes I made to the stuff I was watching the days before, just pretty much everything, blabbering on. Subscribe, comment, like. If you want to join the group, there is a link to that below as well. It's priced stupidly cheap. It's $10 for a month or $60 for a year. It was a dumb idea, but I want to keep it like that. But, hoping for more people. And if not, that's okay. Either way, outro song. Either way, like, subscribe, comment, share, join daily day trades. Don't be a hoe. It's only $10 or only $60 for a year. Someone on there made $13,000 today. And it's only $60. It's pretty easy math. I want to hang out with people. Alright, y'all have a good one. Also, it's my best friend Addie's birthday. She might watch this if she comments, which I'm going to tell her to. Everyone wish her a happy birthday. Thank you.